Can you lift your hands to him and exalt him? I join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy name. I join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. Oh, can Jesus, we worship you. We worship you. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship. Lift your voice and exalt him. What can we worship you. We worship you. What can we We worship you. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. You're the precious Lamb of God, the living Word of God. I worship you. You're the precious Lamb of God. You're the living Word of God. I worship. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. Say, what can be we worship you, the Lion and the Lamb. Jesus, what can be? We worship you. We worship you. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. We join the host of heaven to adore and worship your holy. What can Oh yes, we worship you. What can That is why I'm here.